Yep, that was a good one, dude. Big one. Got him. Dude, that's a toad. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I literally, like, when I get around, like, I'm really going hard like that, I get chilled. All right, guys, we're back out here again on Lake X, and we got our boy Alex Roberts fishing with us. And today's a little bit different. We try to do a little 1v1 action, and not kind of a traditional 1v1 best five. We picked 5 baits, and we had to catch one on each of those baits before we could move on and just stick with one of our baits that we picked. I've got the riser tied on, I've got a minnow obviously, I've got a jigging spoon, and I've got a BFS bait, a Wakasaki, and a drop shot. So we're gonna see what we can do with those 5 baits, see what we can catch. We'll see if the fish are in the same place as last time we were here, but the conditions are completely different. Obviously bluebird skies, and last time it was just blowing rain on us. So we're gonna try to figure them out. Y'all stick along and see what we can do. There's a few of them down there, I guess. Come on, come on. Oh, he's on it, he's on it.
There he is.
Got him, got him.
Yeah, baby.
There we go. That's what we came for.
Oh, first one. Giant. Hey, it scores.
It scores. Yeah, so see how that way or the scale works on that mode? I don't know. Hopefully it works the way I'm thinking it will. Yeah, oh, got him. Oh, he's smaller than yours? Yeah. Okay. I don't know if I'm weighing this one. This is insane.
Oh no. Oh no. Okay.
Oh, is that a shad coming out of his mouth?
I'm gonna leave it right there. Give me another ounce.
That's a pretty decent sized shad.
Yeah, you can jerk it, son. No, dude, he's the same size.
Are they?
Here we go. Will he even matter on us?
Yeah, that's what I was wondering.
5 ounces.
Sick. Sick.
Bag 2. Locked in. Currently leading.
New leader. Wait, folks, we've got a new leader.
Right, control number.
Okay.
Let's go.
Oh, that's funny. All right, let's weigh mine. I guarantee you this is 3. Like I can barely even like clip them in there. And we're tied. That's funny. New leader. Okay, so we get to change baits. Yeah, I feel like this is gonna play better later. Now, what do I want to change to? It's got to be the minnow. But yeah, I'm gonna go minnow. I feel like we've let some bigger ones get away that you maybe could have tricked with a minnow. But we got all day to do it, so.
Stay off the trolling motor.
I want to touch it so bad.
Stay off of it. Rules.
All right.
Rules. I'm not gonna sabotage you right now, but I might later.
Yeah, it's like strategy. It's like, you know,
Exactly. I got that dog.
if you're about to shoot in the fourth quarter, you know, oh my, yeah, we gotta throw those. that you probably want to sabotage me right now.
It ain't that real yet.
Oh, we're covered up.
These little ones.
You said it was his foot, the first motor?
Unit.
Yeah. I wonder what that cost him.
I think it was under warranty.
Oh, yeah, that's right. You said that. Come on. Come on. See it? See it?
There it is.
Is that a good one?
That's a decent one. Not big.
He's mad.
He is very mad. He will help my cause. Total domination. Giant.
Number 2. Got, oh, there they are.
I'm just gonna see if I can clear my bag.
Oh, God. Oh, crappie. Fat crappie.
Oh, no.
That was a group of crappie. That's what that is that we keep seeing in a big school. Look at this guy. Sick.
Little crops. Why they want to eat.
Check that guy out. The question is he go on the scale?
Oh, it goes on the scale.
It's like anything we catch. If you catch a catfish today, you get to put it on.
You know, Major League Fishing is saying every fish counts. You know what? Today, every fish actually does count.
Hey, 1-3. That is a hammer.
Solid crop.
Nice. God, if Sarah saw me throw that back, she'd be pissed. She will see me throw it back. You want to start on that? The longer point?
I think we just drop scope and see what's happening.
Yeah.
I mean, it's up to you. I'm in penalty box right now.
That's true. Hopefully I won't make you last or wait long, you know?
Okay. It's up to you. That's all I can say.
You got to throw on that. Like this has to be a fish right there. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That one's gonna get it. That one that's coming from behind.
Really?
Has to.
Must be a color thing.
Yeah, they come up out of there though. They were hidden completely.
Oh, you couldn't see them at all.
I mean that's why I like that glide bait sometimes, because it's like you bring it over something and you pull fish out of it. There was one blowing. We have nothing. I don't know if I'm short or what. Yeah, I'm short. And if you can trick that one, that's a decent one. Make it move, make it move. Oh, yeah, that was sick, bro. Oh, that's a decent one.
Yeah. That was so cool.
God, I'm about to put on a Derek bait.
The pause.
That's a nice one.
Yeah. Biggest one of the day for sure.
Oh, yeah. Nice.
Did the pause. And one more.
Yeah, and he was like, I can't not bite that.
Got him.
That's a lot of bait. I mean,
It's
relative.
not a bait, but it's the most we've seen.
Well, yeah, I'm saying relative to like.
Here.
They were moving fast.
They are. They're freaking smoking. I guess it makes sense. The bait's up in the water column.
Oh, right there. Back behind us. Yeah, you're probably on them.
Oh, there we go.
Got him. Bro, I just get dominated.
Tie it on a jerkbait.
I'm about to.
I think I have. I'm supposed to be switching baits, aren't I?
I mean, if we're following those rules, I feel like we're completely falling away from the rules.
I've definitely fallen off from the competition. Okay, fine. I'll go back to. Ah! No! Please! Stop!
The other day, they would have ate anything, though, you know?
I know. Fine, I will.
Yeah, pretty much given up. All hope. Oh, I got him.
Finally. From BFS?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Oh, no!
What are you doing?
It's got one hook, dude. Oh, my gosh.
I can't believe I caught that tiny fish on a big spoon and you just couldn't get that one in. I'm disappointed in you. 13 ounces?
Oh, got it.
Oh, got him. Yeah, baby.
Oh, there's a bunch of them. There's a bunch of them. Get back in here. Oh, they're all over this. Come on. Come on.
Uh-oh, he's making a comeback.
Don't call it a comeback.
Stop the cow. I gotta take my bibs off now, dude. I'm smoking.
Yeah, I don't know how you yanking on that big spoon.
I'm just built different.
That's true.
Like, incorrect. I love that name so much.
Built different, like incorrectly. Oh yeah, Hugin.
Giant, bro. On the BFS. Need a score tracker update, sir? When you get a second?
2.1 or 2 1 ounce to 6 and 9 ounces. 8 to 3 fish count. It's not going well for the home team,
Back on the train here, son.
to say the least. All
You
right.
gotta switch.
Well, I would if I knew what was going on with my line.
I gotta switch too.
Still chasing. Still chasing. Got him.
There you go. Get him?
He's acting like he is. Oh, oh. Hey, you don't have to say it like that. But you're totally right. And he gagged that thing. Ha.
Nice, dude.
God, he got it down the gills, bro.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that must be the right color. Heck yeah, dude.
Oh,
Not that I'm rooting for you, but good job.
come on, root for me a little bit.
I'm rooting for you, Brian. Is that enough for you?
Yeah. Boom. Got my riser fish. I about threw him back without weighing him. So stupid. Ooh. 1.6. All right, now I've got half of your weight and half of your fish. I think I got him. He smashed that thing. Little. Oh no! Oh Jesus! Why?
Oh no.
It was foul hooked the whole time.
Was it?
Yeah.
That's funny. That's the fish time.
I think I just had him foul hooked. God, that hurts.
Gotta land them.
But I mean, he smoked it.
That's fun.
Like I didn't even. It was still slacklined, and I felt him hit it. Yeah, that's pretty good. So you're like kind of out there if you ain't got a tackle.
Oh, land him. Come on.
Can't catch up to him.
Dang it.
Come here, come here, come here. He's barely. Oh, get him, get him. No!
Let's go.
Bro, why?
Oh, let's go.
Dude, I had him. I had him in my hands.
That's good, dude.
Uh-huh.
I'll let you get back on.
I don't even know if I'm ready.
Oh, you're ready.
No clue where I'm at.
There you are right there.
On the bottom? Oh, there I am. Yes, look at, take a look, buddy. Don't run. Don't run.
Oh, there it is. Huh. Looks pretty good.
Come on. Come on.
There you go. Man,
Finally. Good Lord. How could it be so hard?
you're welcome.
you did set me up for that one.
I did. Alright.
There was more up there, weren't there?
Yeah, they were. I don't know where they
Minor fish.
went. Man or fish?
We've got to catch some better size. This video is worthless.
Like, I'm glad we're having fun,
Yeah,
but not the quality. Even the quality last time was much better than what we've seen today.
absolutely. This Bubba Scale battery takes forever to charge.
Really?
Yeah.
How long does it last?
I don't know. This is my first time like fully charged using it. We were like, it was like COVID. Oh gosh. Am I about to get hit? Yo, that was a good one, dude. Big one. Oh, just absolutely taking line. Was it a stripe?
They're all over it.
Oh my God, I can't move him.
They're all over it.
I cannot move him. Dude, I can't even count this one. What is? Oh, dude, toad, throw. Get your whatchamacallit out. That's a toad right there, dude. Dude, I told you they eat this joker. Oh, dude, it's a 4-pounder. I think it might be a 4.
You got them? You got it.
You get that? Can you get that net out of that box? But be careful because it's close to that recording thing. Oh, dude, this is a toad, bro. All right, he's coming. Oh no, he's not. Yeah, this is a good one. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I think chrome's the one. Okay, Almighty, that's the biggest spot I think I've ever caught.
No. Yeah.
You don't think he's 4?
No. He's a big one though. Just take it easy. I wish I could find that group again.
Oh, they're out here. They'll be back. You were like, oh God. He just
he goes, "Darn."
oh, get in there, buddy.
you go.
Yes, sir.
That's a
Dude,
three.
that's a toad.
That's a 3 for sure.
How about that one?
Wow, dude.
Sick.
That's good.
All right, can't count them in our little tournament, but caught a stud of a spot. No, I can't count them. I can't. I just got to get past my whatchamacallit, and then I can throw some nice stuff. But I am gonna weigh them though. That is a nice spot right there. I haven't caught a spot like that in a while. What do you say, 3.5 or just 3? Oh, bro. 214. God, I'm terrible. Yeah, I've been catching straight dinks. Let me make sure that I didn't add anything there. Yeah, no, I didn't add. Awesome, man. Whew, that's a nice one. They'll come back up. That was fun. God, I love when they eat that sucker. That's what I'm used to. And coming up and destroying it. Running.
There's a shad up there.
Yeah.
I love dogs.
Oh, down there, over there. Oh,
I
might-
can't decide where to go.
I might get to those. Oh, those are big ones, dude. Go that way. Oh, dude. This is nice.
Yeah, this is fun.
This is like, oh, there you go again. Yeah, this is,
Yeah, I'm trying.
I can't cast that far.
I can cast that far.
Yeah, you can. All right, here we go, Oh, yeah. Oh, already on it. Got him. Good one. I don't know. He hadn't really made a run yet, but he's... I'll get him. He's a nice one. Oh, yeah.
They do not want to smoke off.
you have to catch one. I still have to get my I knew I shouldn't have picked a dang dragging bait. What was I thinking?
It's like me picking an A-rig. I'm like, what?
Yeah.
You let me substitute, so I'll let you substitute.
Oh, I'll substitute with a spy bait. Freaking crush them.
I'm granting you.
Hold on, let me get this fish in. I'm about to grab it. Net him. You just fish. Yeah, if you want to go ahead and change. Oh, dude, another nice one, dude. About the same size. Boom, baby. Boom, baby. That is fun. It like touched the water. He had it. Oh, I gotta get back out there. Oh.
I can't reach him.
Another nice one. They're blowing up everywhere. The riser bait is the deal. Wait, yeah, you got a substitute. So I get a substitute. At least one. All right, guys. Time to substitute. It's like golf. You'd get a mulligan.
Yeah.
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 That's what this is.
Can you make us?
Yeah, there's a stripe for sure. But I did have a giant blow up on my frog one time when I was there. Yeah, I put it in it. What? Oh, he's coming. He's coming. Get ready. Get ready. Take it away from him. Take it away from him. Got him, dude. Big in, bro. Let me get the net, dude. Oh, sick. That's gotta be. Oh, we're hunting. We're hunting him now.
Fired him up. I can't move him.
Yeah, just you gonna ride him out.
Let's go.
Dang, you just murdered me in this challenge. We're
over.
done.
It's over.
Because that means I have to minnow to catch a stripe to catch up.
Yeah.
To even have a chance.
It can happen. It's probably not even that big, but 10 pounds right now is like
Huge. Game changer. So where's he at? I'm gonna
under the boat.
try to find him. You know,
Can't do anything with him. Come on. I honestly have no idea where he is.
he's gotta be just straight down. But I don't think I can see him. I think he's below what I can see.
Now he's tired.
Yeah, I would be too.
Now he's tired.
Dude, that one was perfect eat.
That was freaking cool. Finally, we had one to react.
Like as soon as he started coming for you, you started taking it away, and he was like, I have to have that.
We got some more things.
That's what those ones did to me the other day. They'd let me think I was getting some line back and then take it back.
Or it's a lake record.
Could be. That'd be better.
I'll just step back here and let you do your thing.
See him yet?
Oh yeah, good one.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Not like going around here. He's not gonna appreciate this at all.
There we go.
Boom!
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's a large one.
He's really not even that big.
KO'd me.
So strong.
It absolutely KO'd me.
It's over. Since this is every fish counts, this one does count towards a little tournament. It's really not even that big of a fish, but very, very pretty. Very cool fish. Here too, man.
Was he? Oh, there they go. Whoa. I literally, like, when I get around, like, them really going hard like that, I get chilled.
Yeah.
I don't know why. It's just like, that's what I always
It's a
look.
primal thing.
Uh-oh. Trolling motor just quit working. I might trip the breaker on him. Yeah, it tripped the breaker. Well, for some reason when it trips this breaker, it like takes a minute to release. Cause it did this to me on Guntersville one day when I was like trying to plow through some grass.
Yeah.
And I thought it was just broken, and then eventually it like reset. Oh. We're just gonna wait till, I don't know how long it takes. It like takes like maybe like a minute or two.
Somewhere around it.
Look, you hate this trolling motor.
There he is.
Got him. Get him.
Literally, we're not able to move.
Yeah, we can't move right now.
You're not there.
We're non-mobile.
Good. Don't you jump, you sucker.
He's going to. Yeah, that's it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Oh. Bro, that's a long one,
That's a
dude.
good one.
Holy cow.
Look at the way he ate that jerkbait.
Yeah, that's how you want it.
Oh, that's so cool.
All right, close back in. See, I don't, there's some kind of timer on that thing.
That doesn't make sense though.
I don't know, I'm gonna have to research it, but.
Maybe it's
Dude, is he just out there?
we were literally floating, and I saw 3 of them come up, and I cast it towards them, and it was like all of them just smoked.
Automatic. You're about to run that bait ball. Oh yeah, you better get smoked, right? Where'd he go? Where'd he go?
Oh my gosh, look at him go.
I gotta run that ball. Yeah. Got him.
Jigs that first one.
I think they looked like it.
That's a good one though. Look at them all. Look at them all.
Jeez.
I'm just gonna
Oh,
play 'em
gosh.
as long as I can.
Dude, there's a bunch of them with it.
I'm gonna play them as long as I can.
Where is he at?
Up here.
Oh, dude, he's pretty nice. Let me get the net. I don't think I can trick him with this thing that close. Oh, brother. Oh, brother.
That's a good one.
He's just coming right at you at first, right? Oh, God, money. Look at that thing. Oh, I'm scared of him. Dude, chill, bro.
Another 3-pounder.
Chill, bro. He's got that thing sideways like a hot dog.
Eating hot dogs.
Got him.
Those known as jerkbaits. Dude, that is ridiculous. I didn't even see him while I was working that thing. I was like, I'll just work it and see what happens. Oh, that's a toad.
Ah, I need to switch to that sexy shad.
You want this other jerkbait that you bought?
No, I've got them. I just bought a brand new one of those sexy shads. You put that thing in there, they come up. Oh boy, you done got them fired up. He has to eat that thing.
Look at all of them.
Just drop it, drop it, drop it. That's a lot of fish. Bring it up to him. Oh, they did not like that. Oh, got him, bro.
Got him.
It's a good one.
Yeah, it is.
That was kind of sick. I think you were kind of hovering it.
Like 3 with him, dude.
Was it a good one though?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it is. Nice. Head.
Nice.
I knew those were heads.
Not a big one, but on the dice.
The way they were acting, I was like, those have to be heads.
If I had another one, I'd give it to you. It's pretty fun.
I'm headed to the store on the way home.
It's pretty cool. I mean, honestly,
I mean,
the drawing power is very apparent.
but I think he liked it right there when you try to like hover it.
Yeah. Well,
Barely
if you look
pulsing
in
it.
the water,
Yeah, it's just like flickering those little. All right, guys, it did not go so well for me. I got hung up on a couple of baits, couldn't move through them. Had to take my mulligan and switch the drop shot to spy bait, and still couldn't even get that one to hook up, even though those fish were blowing up like crazy. It wasn't my day. It was Alex's day. He crushed them. But we did toss around that riser and caught some pretty nice spots. They were coming up really good just out in the main lake. So just happened to see him coming up and went out there and noticed that there was tons of bait out there and just chased him around with a forward facing sonar and waited for him to come up schooling, and then we'd catch some nice ones. I mean, all of those fish that we caught out there were nicer than the fish we caught last time. So something to note coming back, but you can't beat that kind of bite. It's a really fun day. All right guys, so I lost, right? So the deal was that, you know, winner gets to pick a bait under 25, right? Under $25 value out of the other's tackle box. So Alex won. So he's gonna go rummage through my tackle store that's in my boat and see what he wants. So let's see what he picks out here.
Do you have anything that's precious to you? Because I definitely want to look at those first.
Well,
You got any Sakamata sheds? Because that's where I'm gonna start.
no, I definitely don't have any of those. I don't know. I feel like the jerk twitch box is like,
Kind of
there's
where
some unique stuff in there.
the bang for your buck is gonna be in this box here, because one of these could be over 25 bucks.
Yeah.
So I can't even touch those. Okay. I like it. I like what I'm seeing.
I don't even know what I have.
Got a bunch of stuff.
There's some unique stuff.
There it is.
Oh, there's that rooster tail you were asking about.
Dude, I
You could-
actually thought
you
about
could
it.
take
I'll
that
just
one.
take that.
No, you need to get something better than that.
No, dude.
Have you seen this? This is Strike Kings.
Oh, is that their riser?
Yeah.
Oh,
I kind of like that size.
I don't want that. Strike King. All these Wagasaki is what I want. Is that Karashi or whatever? No.
Yeah.
What is that?
That's a Karachi, yeah. You get the fresh one that's in the box right there.
I want the ooh, fresh. How much are these? Are they under 25 bucks? Okay.
That's a deal.
Okay. You know what?
Karachi
This
it
is
is.
gonna be my prize today.
Nice.
Thanks for
Now you-
honoring your bet.
Now you gotta find a rod to throw it on.
Uh-oh.
You could throw, this one's a little bit heavier than the Wagasaki. You could throw it on a spinning rod.
No BFS required.
Nah.